thing, you'll be able to get a sense of what we're after. And we're actively building. We're going to post up a whole bunch more. But yeah, we can also do personal bounties as well, just to get stuff to work on various different projects, and that goes out to everybody here.
Sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. I'm excited to hear what you'd like to work on. Is there?
Should I message you right now or?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just a couple more. So everybody should be receiving their RIF. And make sure everybody that you back up your MetaMask so that you keep your assets. Okay, so I've just airdropped all of them to the transactions we'll still be going through. Solange, you want to talk about maybe how do you view your RIF tokens? Right,
Sorry. Vidor, you are sharing your screen just now.
Yeah, Vidor, I unmuted you, so if you want to see.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Is it you, the green person?
Yeah, Vidor, I can't.
Yes. I'm missing. Vidor, come back. Come back to yes, here. The name you put only V. Can I see your smart contract on the remix? Or do I have the address of your smart contract? I think this is the address of your smart contract. Let me check here. Yes, you put VP, and over there you put only V or not? Or I'm wrong? It's only V. You need to use the same name. So wait, this transaction will fail. Aliás, the transaction is not fail. Go to your MetaMask on the top corner, or top right corner. Yes, you need to approve the transaction. Click and wait, because MetaMask will open. Yes, wait. And then we know that this transaction is wrong, so reject this and do another. Perfect. Go back to the academy. And put VP in the name. And the address of the smart contract it's good. You can click now on set name. It will work. Oh, yes, confirm the transaction. I think it's not me. I think MetaMask has something wrong because it's taking a long time now. Confirm, perfect. And now you are waiting, but I think now it works. And great, Victor, if you can mute yourself, it would be good.
Sure, no, thank you so much. Really appreciate that.
Okay. You are welcome. So, Anthony, what you asked me before? Sorry, I didn't pay attention.
No, I think we're finished with the meetup now. So that's it, and I think yeah, that went really well. I like the academy so far. I like how the courses are all supposed to be organized on smart contracts. That's really cool, and yeah.
Perfect. I'm glad to be here. It was my pleasure.
Yeah, I want to thank you as well for coming. I want to thank all for paying attention, and I hope everybody got something out of it. If you want, you can always leave comments in the workshops. In the channels on how you thought the workshop went, feedback you might have, and yeah, stay tuned because we're going to be posting more events as well on RSK as well for different blockchains, and we're going to have more content coming up and more collaboration as well. If you're interested in collaborating, just let me know as well. And just try the bounties, and yeah. Hope everybody's having a good time, and I wish everyone to have a nice rest of the day. So yeah, that's about it. I think I've airdropped to everybody.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So have a nice weekend, everybody.
Yeah. If anybody didn't receive their tokens, just let us know, and we'll look into it. Cool. Thank you, Solange, and